Hi, Angela here from New Mama Kit. I wanted to share with you a few of the beautiful messages that have accompanied the gift hampers that have been sent out and received by beautiful new mamas. It is still possible to send out a personal message along with a gift hamper that gets delivered by a courier. And I wanted to share these with you, some of the great ones from 2017. Here's one. Enjoy your box of gifts for you, not the baby. I know that he or she is already spoilt rotten, hoping for you to have the smoothest, most pain-free birth that ever existed. Beautiful. Another one here. Giving birth is one of the most amazing, beautiful, and hardest things we do as women. It doesn't matter if it's spontaneous, induced, or C-section. We are amazing for growing, nurturing, and bringing these little lives into the world. This is just a little something for you, amazing, loving woman and mother. Imagine someone receiving that. They've just given birth. They're probably not feeling the best or brightest, probably emotional and sore and tired. And then they receive this beautiful letter along with a gorgeous gift hamper from New Mama Kit.